Hey everyone, Maggie Nolan here, Living Rate Photography. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, thanks so much for coming back. I just wanted to jump on here and do a swift and quick video this week, just sharing how to instantly improve your wedding photography with a few mindsets. It's not even like gear related. It's not settings on your camera. It's mindsets. So let me jump right in and help you guys with your weddings coming up. Number one, I tell everyone, do lighting over location. If in your head you guys can remember that lighting is more important than location, it will drastically change the way that your portraits look. I always say you can have the prettiest backdrop, beautiful backdrop, but if it's in harsh light and then your couple is in full shade, you're gonna have this crazy stark difference between background and foreground, right? Instead, turn them around, backlight them, make them look incredible, and it doesn't matter what the background looks like, because if they are lit well head to toe, they're gonna look incredible. So lighting over location, number one. All right, number two, we tell everyone that we come in contact with who's a photographer, we love head to toe even light. What that means is when you're looking at your subject from head to toe, there's even light. Even if the background is bright, even if the background is dark, even if we can just find a pretty white wall, head to toe even light allows us to really make skin tones look really beautiful. So tomorrow or Saturday when you're shooting, try to get head to toe even light, even for family pictures. Don't let there get spotty light on people's jackets and boutonnieres and gowns and skin. It doesn't look very good. Save yourself post-editing time too. Simply switch them, angle them, do what you need to, find an awning, find a tree, find, if there's nothing around, just backlight them, and then they have head to toe even light. Guys, it's gonna look so pretty. And then number three, guys, just a flash tip for a reception. Think about pizza, okay? We all get hungry shooting weddings. When you're out there shooting, think about where your subjects are gonna be. Think about where you want to stand for angle, and then I want you to take your off-camera flash and make a pizza pie with it. Really simple technique, super easy. It always looks pretty. If you know how to shoot manual with your flash and off-camera flash, play with those settings so you have a really pretty lighting from front and side off-camera flash. That's it. That's all I have for you guys today. Really quick video. It's going to be a busy week. We are prepping for a busy weekend. We're going to Philly. We are going to Longwood Gardens. We're spending the night. Then we're coming home. Then we've got a wedding. 3 engagement sessions, 1 wedding, all within 4 days. So we hope you guys have a great week and weekend, and we'll talk to you next week and see you back here. Thanks so much. Be sure to subscribe.